First Lady, coming to you from Osaka in Japan. Listen, this Sunday night it will be all about emancipation. How much do you know about independence and emancipation? This Sunday on Xpressionzja Sunday Night Live. Tune in because we're going to ask them a question. So make sure on the sharp now. I only can have on a device, but when the one question drop, only can answer. Alright? Our special guest host this Sunday is Ken Raro, and of course none other than Akira Gardner. People, tune in. And don't believe some comment. They are Japan, but now go join in to see who and who they on the live. So make sure you join in this Sunday night, 8 p.m. sharp. Alright? Right after the uploads then. So make sure you jump on over on the live. See you guys. Mwah.